Hey, the speed is 9.
Cool. We have a circle now. So do you remember how we use while true? So instead of saying for loop, use while true, and we don't need to put any number there. So it's an infinite loop.
Okay. So I'm just gonna do like.
Would you like to keep it?
Should I delete all of this and write for true?
Mm-hmm.
This is infinite. For true.
No, we don't have for true. We have while true.
What?
While. W-H-I-L-E. Yeah, it's coming out. It's coming. It show you. Yeah. Remember after is correct. The true that you put is correct. You just need to put semicolon. The same that with a semicolon, that means the loop start. No, after true. So while true, not semicolon, colon, just colon. Like the for loop that we have. It show you true. Okay. So true should be uppercase T. Yep.
Okay. Now the speed is now going 9.
So as long as you don't, if you don't press stop button, it's just going around and around and around.
Just put the speed.
Yeah, just change the speed. You can change the shape as well.
Why is it going 7? Why isn't it speed 7?
Because I think your computer is slow. It's something else. It's not about. As I'm saying, because I don't know, make sure. Do you remember to put how to put a different shape? So if you say, would you like to make your carousel or make the turtle as a real turtle or?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Oh, look at it.
You make a bigger one, very tiny. Spinning.
Wait. I get it now. Oh, there. Small. About 100. That would be really small. Okay. 10. Small enough. I'm going to make it -30. Will that work? Oh, what? There's no such thing as -30, so I'm just going to do 1. There. Oh, it's going to be big. Oh.
Because the angle is small.
Okay, now don't shape. They only have a turtle.
We have a turtle, we have square.
What?
We have a square shape, circle shape.
Oh.
Not too many, but triangle. So we have some type of this.
Wait. It should be at the top.
It show you.
Wait. I hear the sound from the computer.
You can change the colors as well.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Don't. Yay!
Yeah.
I made the outline of the shape.
I have an orange shirt as well.
Yeah.
Because you like it.
It's going on forever.
For infinite loop. Okay, Stepan. I will see.
Until the computer.
We almost finished the session, but I keep it shorter. So I will see you around next session, around tomorrow actually. We're gonna see each other tomorrow. And just keep this one and come back tomorrow in the same time. It's a bit early for you, 30 minutes earlier than today. So we see you tomorrow, yeah? You happy with that? To just keep it now and then continue tomorrow. Give me high five. Let's see, can we have a high five here?
Bye.
Can we have a high five here? Like that?
Wait.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I can see yours. Oh, high five. Good. I love it.
High five, Marcy.
High five.
Infinite now.
Infinite high five. Oh my goodness. High five, infinite high five. Cool. Have a good night. See you soon tomorrow.
Turtle and infinite high five.
High five. Like that. Enjoy. Practice more and see what we can have content. Have a good night, Stepan. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye, Marcy.
Bye, huh? Bye. See you
Bye, Marcy.
See you tomorrow soon.
Yeah, and then you're going to